there are majority of people that it is during screening processes when we do the renal function and other investigation that it will come out that their kidneys are failing, but to them they might be fit and going about their duties. The rate at which the cases of chronic kidney disease and people on dialysis is increasing. Hence, if there is any way you can protect your kidneys, it's very important that you do so. This bottle of water is 500 mils. This sachet of water is also 500 mils. Do you know that regular intake of water can go a long way to protect your kidneys? In today's video, I will share with you three importance of hydration to your kidneys. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe and then like this video so that this video will reach a lot more people because we need to save a lot more kidneys from failing. The first importance is that hydration helps your kidney to remove a lot of toxic and waste substance from your body. Some of the waste substances include urea, creatinine, excess salt, excess minerals like potassium and sodium. If you take water regularly to help your kidney to remove a lot of these waste substances from your body, hence your body will be detoxified. Number two is that regular intake of water or hydration helps reduce the risk of developing kidney stones. Now, the way kidney stones happens is that when your urine becomes concentrated, there are certain crystals in your urine which can stick together and form the stones. So regular intake of water or hydration can dilute your urine and prevent these crystals from sticking together to form the stones. Number three is that hydration helps flush out your urinary tract and remove a lot of microorganisms that can cause urinary tract infection. Now, when we talk about urinary tract infection, majority of people will be thinking of antibiotics. It's not always the case that you need to take antibiotics. Sometimes hydration can go a long way to flush out your urinary tract and then remove a lot of these microorganisms from your urinary tract and prevent you from having urinary tract infection. When your kidneys start failing, you might not notice it initially. Sometimes your kidney will try to overcome or work extra more in order to meet your body's demand. But when it gets to a certain time and it fails, then you begin experiencing those signs and symptoms. There are majority of people that it is during screening processes when we do the renal function and other investigation that it will come out that their kidneys are failing. But to them, they might be fit and going about their duties. You understand? In a day, you should take about 2 to 3 liters of water. So that means in a day, you should take about 6 of these. There are also some of the bottles that they are 750 mils. So for 750 mils, you need to take about 4 of the 750 mils in order to meet your body's demand for the day. So it's very important that just hydration. It's not anything serious. It's not anything expensive. Hydration, hydrate your body throughout the day. It will go a long way to save our kidneys. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video and then share this video to many people.